this talk about thinking like a piano player. Theories, systems, concepts. And then there's this arrogant frog. I have a nut allergy, you know.
How can you be allergic to nuts? You are nuts.
But these two, they seem to know something. Something basic but fundamental. Watch this, Schroeder. I showed you how you can turn one static chord into 3-finger movable voicings like this. We can connect them using simple scale motion in each voice.
That's actually something, Froggy.
Right, and once that's in your fingers, you can already start playing around and come up with your own chord melodies.
Wow, that sounds a little...
Romantic?
Yeah, romantic.
Yes, now back to the basics. We can also move the middle voice. And the bass.
I'm starting to see how useful this is.
That's the point. We really should master this from the inside out.
I agree, Froggy.
Imagine this as your starting point when you arrange chord melodies. And if you want to make it even more interesting, you can combine it with fancy sounds like sixth-diminished contrary motion or whatever rocks your boat. But next, we'll focus on the easiest way to remember all of those 3-finger voicings. And you can support this goofy channel completely free just by subscribing and leaving a comment. And if you don't want to miss the next Froggy and Schroeder video, hit the bell icon too. Otherwise YouTube might hide it from you. Thank you for watching.